Are you looking for the best OBD2 scanner with ECU coding? The modern OBD2 scanner market has shifted from basic code readers to professional-grade tools that can access multiple ECUs, perform bidirectional tests, and even relearn or calibrate components. For DIYers and independent shops alike, a tool with ECU coding and bidirectional capabilities can cut diagnosis time, support advanced maintenance tasks, and enable
Product number 1. ThinkDiag2 All-System Bidirectional OBD2. ThinkDiag2 positions itself as a cost-effective all-system diagnostic tool with CAN-fed support and bidirectional testing. It adds FCA auto-auth capability to unlock SGW modules on certain FCA vehicles and offers over 120 car brands coverage with AutoVIN and a health/reporting function. The device relies on the ThinkDiag Plus app ecosystem and requires a 1-year update subscription that can be renewed, which is a notable cost consideration in long-term ownership. In practice, ThinkDiag2 delivers broad full system coverage: ECM, ABS, SRS, TCM, EPB, TPMS, BMS, etc., with active tests that allow you to actuate components such as AC clutches or door locks directly from the app. The 15 maintenance resets provide convenient service functions like oil reset, SAS calibration, and TPMS reset. However, the feature set is highly vehicle dependent, and the auto-auth FCA capability requires login and ongoing registration, which adds a layer of setup complexity. Product number 2. Xtool D7 Bidirectional OBD2 Scanner. Xtool D7 is positioned as a professional-grade bidirectional tool with 64 GB storage, 36 plus resets, FCA auto-auth, CAN-FD, and DOYIP support. It emphasizes long-term value with 3 years of free updates and a wide vehicle reach, 100,000 plus vehicles noted. It also features an 8-PID live data graphing capability and a large 7-inch display, aimed at shops that require robust active testing and detailed reporting. In use, the D7 provides true bidirectional control across components such as actuators, ABS pumps, and throttle bodies, along with OE-level full system diagnostics and up to 8 live data graphs. The inclusion of 3-year free updates and a renewal option at a relative bargain compared to shop-grade tools strengthens its value proposition. The tool supports 24 languages and offers DOYIP, which is beneficial for newer vehicles and European makes. Some users may find the initial learning curve steeper due to breadth of features and the need to Product number 3. BLCTK 460T OBD2 Scanner Car. BLCTK 460T targets users seeking OEM-like capabilities with AutoVIN, AutoScan, and Auto-Relink alongside 12-plus dealer-level reset functions. It includes Repair Solutions 2 integration for repair guidance and a cloud-based health report. The device is positioned as a strong value option with lifetime updates and broad compatibility for 1996 to 2023 vehicles in the USA and Canada. Performance-wise, the 460T shines in its quick AutoVIN and automatic ECU scanning workflow, delivering freeze-frame data, live data streams, and the ability to graph up to 4 signals simultaneously. When paired with Repair Solutions 2, users gain access to a comprehensive repair database, parts links, and dealership-level recall/TSB information. While feature-rich, some advanced functions may require vehicles.
Product number 4. ThinkDiag OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth Full System. ThinkDiag Standard ThinkCar is a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner offering full system diagnostics with 15-plus reset functions and FCA auto-auth capability. It targets professionals and DIYers who want deep reset relearn capabilities and cross-brand functionality with an app-driven workflow and over 120 brands coverage. In practice, ThinkDiag delivers a strong balance of depth and usability, full system testing, bidirectional control, AutoVIN, and a suite of maintenance functions. Activation of certain advanced features may require in-app activation or FCA-related subscriptions, which adds to the total cost of ownership. The device is best for users comfortable with mobile apps and subscription-based feature on.
Product number 5. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan Tool for iPhone. BlueDriver is a long-standing, user-friendly OBD2 solution with a subscription-free model. It focuses on straightforward code reading/clearing, plus enhanced ABS, SRS, TPMS, and repair guidance via repair reports and video content. It's ideal for casual users and enthusiasts who want a simple yet capable diagnostic experience without ongoing costs. In real-world use, BlueDriver excels at ease of use, stable wireless connectivity, and access to repair suggestions that accompany each code. It provides real-time data and repair videos, but its ECU coding and bidirectional testing capabilities are limited compared to the other devices in this list. It's best for quick checks,